cell in solitary confinement. Here to speak with a spirit that inhabited this solitary confinement cell, one of the dungeon cells here. Do you regret anything you did in your life?